Ladies and gentlemen, today we demo the testing for the access control alarm system, which is the access control using the card to scan swap in, swap out. Okay, and the system is up here, for the allowance the person. And this access control we connect with the alarm system, and if there is alarm, and there will be drop arm automatically. So please see the demo. And there will be alarm sound. And it is release the arm automatically, so that people can get in and get out automatically. And in the system, the alarm will appear, will show the alarms for the fiber alarm, and the turnstile release the arm and can enter freely during the alarm system. Thank you for watching.